before asking the children to open their books and after exchanging, read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I am going to read it out for you. Inventor and Invention. An invention is a new thing that did not exist before the inventor created it. It is a new product, device, process, sport, or musical instrument. An inventor is the first person who creates a new product or different way of doing something. Inventors are highly creative thinkers. They try to look for ways to solve problems. They improve other ideas to develop useful products that fulfill a need. A famous saying, necessity is the mother of invention, smartly describes the efforts of an inventor.